Hey Ladybro, when we newbies apply eyeshadow, we must not apply a heavy color to the eye socket and then apply a small amount of glitter to the eyelid. This method of application is wrong. First of all, before we apply eyeshadow, we must use a setting powder to press one side above our eyelids, so as to ensure that there is no oil above my eyelids. Our eyeshadow will be more durable and firm and will not smudge makeup. This is the color that I must choose when I paint eyeshadows. Don't buy so many tools, because they won't be used when you get them back, so the tools are all wasted. This is the double-ended brush. We dipped in our matte shades. Don't rub it back and forth, that's it, just take a picture above our eyelids. Shoot from the back to the front and slowly shoot forward, where is the top of our eyelids. When we reach the position of our eye socket, we need the eye socket where we can press it. You can try this method. It is really more even than you apply it back and forth, and then it will not cause your eyeshadow. The slag falls on your face, and then this little brush get our matte powder below our eyelid, and then deepen our lower limb of the eyelid, open its deepening position at the end of our back eye to this position just below our eyeball. After painting a matte color, our entire eye makeup is plain. The key to it is this little glitter, which is very beautiful. The finishing touch is to use it to hook. You want to make a small and fine glitter directly, just adorn the top of our eyelids. Wow, it's so beautiful. Is the whole soul full? And then we apply it on a single eyelid. Is it very pure and lovely? This one can also be used to outline the mole under our eyelid. Wow. Single eyelid is easy to control. Double eyelid sisters can also stick another double eyelid and then draw a waterproof and quick drying eyeliner and then stick a natural eye hair. Such a single eyelid. A big silk eye makeup that looks good even after the double eyelid is painted is done. Sisters, try it now.